Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix low GPU usage on while playing game. So as I don't have a GPU as I use a laptop, so I'm going to show you the steps you can follow to fix this problem. So the first one is update your driver. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can lead performance issues, including low GPU utilization. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific GPU module. And consider a clean install of the drivers to ensure no conflicts. Check in-game settings, like disabling VSync that can sometimes increase GPU usage as it allows the game to run the frames faster. And playing at a higher resolution will generally increase GPU workload. Experiment with different graphical settings like shadows, reflections, textures, and anti-aliasing, and to see the performance improves. And the third one is ensure your Windows power plan is set to high performance to maximize GPU performance. You can find this in the control panel under for options, and use the software like MSI, Afterburner, or HWM or HW Monitor to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures during gameplay. Overheating can cause your GPU to throttle and reduce its performance. So check the task manager to see if any background processes are using significant resources. Close any unnecessary applications that might be competing for your resources. And in some cases, your CPU might be the bottleneck, meaning it can't supply data fast enough to the GPU. If your GPU usage is consistently high while your GPU usage is low, so this could be the issue, considering upgrading your CPU or optimizing your CPU code. So yeah, this is how you can fix your low GPU usage in games. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.